Welcome back, everyone. This is my second attempt at this video. I posted it earlier and I realized I had a word wrong. I'm only human. All right, let's start up top here. First one, mosquito. Glimawedge. Glimawedge. See that? Glimawedge. Glimawedge. Next, we have a snail. And this word is also used for those little swirls you see in the Mi'kmaq baskets. And I think it means periwinkle too. So you ready? Jiggy jeej. Jiggy jeej. Jiggy jeej. Down here, it's a rather simple word for worm. Weddy. Weddy. See that? Next, we have caterpillar. Kind of a long word, so bear with me. Buganagwedget. Buganagwedget. Bugin agwedget. Or buganagwedget. Buganagwedget. Caterpillar. To me, this might mean a locust or something, but it's supposed to be a grasshopper. Ready? Biptohan geuch. Biptohan geuch. My arrow's messing up. I'll do it slow. Ready? Bip, dohan, geuch. Bip, dohan, geuch. And I just remembered we can also say the word jawadiedge. Jawadiedge for grasshopper. All right, little ones, say them after me. Let's start up top. Mosquito. Glimawedge. Snail. Jiggy jeej. Worm. Weddy. Caterpillar. Buganagwedget. We'll do that one more time. Buganagwedget. Finally, grasshopper. Biptohan geuch. Biptohan geuch. And you could also say jawadiedge. Alrighty, hope you enjoyed that. Walalio. Thank you all.